Drone operators know how complex it is to control their fleet. Managing flight or personnel plans and processing captured data can be time-consuming and difficult to optimize. In this scenario, it is strategic to be able to efficiently manage the resources, personnel and data obtained from your flights. It is very simple. The better you can plan, the longer you can have your birds in the air. This will reduce your operating costs and optimize your resources. Benefits that can be passed on to your clients and help you to generate more business. To help you in this task, DroneSuite is a cloud-based solution that will allow you to globally manage your fleet operations more efficiently, saving time, money and resources. The DroneSuite platform gives you complete control of all the key areas of your operations, allowing you to increase market share and profitability. With DroneSuite, you will be able to track and control all your operations in a simple and versatile way. Make more efficient flight forecasts. Plan and execute your flights in detail to guarantee the best results possible, not a minute wasted. Reduce your operation costs, control the assets and personnel of your company and monitor them in real time. This gives you better control over your resources and will help to generate more profitability for your company. Quickly exploit the information captured. Easily process all information captured in flight using the data processing module to provide your clients with high-quality data. DroneSuite is a modular solution packed with features that allow you to manage your fleet operations more efficiently, saving time, money and resources. With Live View, you are able to control all your operations remotely and efficiently. To learn more about DroneSuite, go to itgdronesolutions.com. Are you ready to take off? Get ready for the future now and start getting the most out of your fleet with DroneSuite.